Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today we are going to unbox the Silicon Power NVMe 512GB SSD. So let's start the unboxing video. So here is the box. As you can see, we have our M.2 NVMe SSD SP, that means Silicon Power, that's the brand. Supports NVMe 1.3, and here you can see it's a 512GB variant with 5-year warranty. Now on the back you have the same as well, pcie gen3x4 M.2 2280 SSD. So the first thing that you need to make sure that your laptop supports PCI gen3x4, because some are M.2 SATA and some are NVMe 3x4. So first you need to know whether your laptops or PC's motherboard support this kind of SSD or not. I have already checked for my laptop, so that's why I have bought this. Other than that, you have a barcode scanner as well, so that you can activate the warranty of your product. And that's all, nothing too much in the box. On the side, SP PCI gen3x4 M.2 2280 SSD, and same on the other side as well. So here we have a little seal on the top. So I'm just going to simply cut the seal. And let's see inside. And here we have it. Other than that, the box is completely empty. So here we have our NVMe M.2 SSD. So let me take it out carefully, because I don't want to break it. It's quite thin as well. And here it is. So it's a really small NVMe SSD, and its power is 512GB. Here you have an upper cover, which you don't want to remove because your warranty will not be available if you remove it. And here on the back you have nothing but the circuitry. Here you have your NVMe port that will connect to your laptop, and the other side to connect to use to screw to the motherboard. So nothing too much fancy here, but regarding the reviews on the internet, I have seen that this SSD works very fast. But anyways, I'm going to insert it into my laptop, and I will make a video on its speed test as well, so that all of you guys can know. If you don't want to know about that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that you get notified of that video as well. And this also supports 3D Nand technology, and that's it. So for size comparison, here I have a HP Simple 32GB USB. Now if I compare the size with it, you can see it's almost equal to the size of a USB. So you can see how technology has revolutionized, and how smaller our storage devices are becoming, and how faster they are becoming day by day. Anyways guys, this was just a quick unboxing of the Silicon Power 512GB NVMe SSD. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so, so that you get notified for the next video where I will do a speed test using this SSD. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.